Back now with this important health alert this morning, and we're talking about eye drops. The federal health officials now warning consumers to stop using more than 2 dozen over-the-counter eye drop products. These products were sold under the 6 brands that you see here, including CVS, Rite Aid, and Target. The FDA says there is a potential risk of eye infections that could cause vision loss or even blindness. By the way, we're going to have a spot where you can check out this list because there are like 26 different products. That's why we're not showing you specifics right now. There's so many to list.
Could be brands that you use. So we're going to have that list available to you by going to a link that we're going to have set up for you. We do have an expert, though, with us this morning, optometrist Dr. Ina Lazar. Dr. Lazar, thank you so much for joining us. This has obviously got a lot of people alarmed. I'm flanked by people who use eye drops all the time. And so it's concerning. It's concerning to a lot of people. I mean, there are, by 2024 standards, 123 million Americans that apparently use eye drops. So what can you tell us about this recall and the ingredient or the bacteria that was found inside that could potentially cause harm?
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me. You know, this is not the first time this happened. We've had this in the beginning of the year, and it is comforting to know that FDA is being vigilant and is checking everything to their standards, because this time there has been reports of manufacturing issues. However, there has been no reports of actual product contamination reported. So it's important for patients who are using these drops to actually make sure this is the drop that's on the list and immediately dispose of it and call their eye doctor.
Doctor, what makes your eye so vulnerable to an infection?
So the ocular surface is very vulnerable. It does not follow the same immune system that our body has. And therefore, these bacteria, there's actually few of them that can penetrate through the ocular surface. And that's what causes really that eye loss and vision loss. And some patients have reported previously lives were lost.
So you talked about earlier this year, back in January, when that bacteria came out and it was like drug resistant. Tell us about why that was so serious. That particular bacteria that was found, that could have potentially been found again here, which is why there's this massive recall. And talk about some of the things that can happen to a person who's exposed to it.
So one of the bacteria that were found were Pseudomonas, and it is very difficult to treat it. It is important to culture the eye and culture that infection to make sure you find the appropriate treatment. With that being said, there hasn't been any reports on these specific drops yet. It is encouraged, and it's important for providers and patients to report these if you do have any light sensitivity, any pain, vision loss, redness. Those are important signs to watch out for. But once it is diagnosed, we're able to really take action as soon as possible.
Makes sense. Doctor, thanks so much for your time. We appreciate it. Give us that perspective there from the medical world. Meanwhile, we talked about that list. So for a full list of the specific eye drops, so when you open the medicine cabinet, you can go through and see. Exactly. You can digit. So go to our website, abc7ny/mornings at 10. We have a specific area there for you to check it out.